Alright, here is a trading update. I'm doing it from a bar at the bottom of my hotel in Austin. Uh, I just finished South by Southwest, 10 solid days. I'm very tired, and I just played a softball game and got into the final, but we were beaten by the South by Southwest staff, and I'm very, very sore. Alright, just want to do a quick trading update and I'll show you what I'm doing. Just switch it over. Hopefully you guys can see this. I have been checking in and I haven't really needed to trade. So what I'm going to show you is we went through an expiry period and I've got one condo open plus an insurance leg on my simulated account, on my live conservative account, and my live aggressive account here. What has been happening is that the market is spiking up. Some good economic news. You know, it looks like it's broken up over this, technical indicator here. 50 moving average versus 200 moving average. It sort of spiked back up over that. I don't know how sustained that's going to be. We'll see what happens in Ukraine. Interest rates went up in America. Australia's definitely going to follow suit, so that might take a bit of heat out of it, but maybe that's already priced in. We might bring that date forward. Who knows? It doesn't really matter. What I wanted to show you is the position in this situation. Like, you look at this and like it feels pretty bad. Like you got some non-profit as like basically accrual. The condo's moving away from you to the edge here. But if I look at the delta's actually still 16. So the market's at 7,325 right now. The market is pricing in a 0.6 delta, which is a shorthand, not exact, but shorthand for in the money probability 16%. So that's not like within my trading rules. That's totally fine. My trading rules are just around 3, 0.3, 30%. That's when I start repairing. So I'm not too concerned about that. What I am interested in though is this. So here's the pricing of my puts. Now this is where you can decide you want to take some profit out of this and exit the market on the downside. Let's look at this one. This one has made basically 50% of its profit. You look at this figure is the profit that is remaining in these two puts, and this is the profit that has already accrued to my account. I'm thinking, right, so that's like 50%. If I was trading in the US, I'd definitely close that for sure. But American market, the Australian market, there's just too many fees. You can't really do that. Or it costs you like $200 to close it, so it's tough. I won't do an update on all of my US positions. I can do that later. But they're all looking fine as well, despite the bull rise. It's totally fine. If I look at this simulated account, what's interesting is that this has far more, a greater percentage of the profit has accrued to the account. So these ones, we've got better pricing, we've got a better spread. But basically the difference between this figure and this figure is the spread. Sold versus the bought. My profit is much better. So you can see there's $630 left in these, and I've accrued $2,970 worth of profit out of them. So that's like a much better situation. If I close that now, it would cost me, if you look at this figure here, it basically cost me $119. But I'm out. I'm probably out, and I could just open some more in the next couple of days. I'll probably wait until the market drops again. If it does, and the volatility spike, I would reopen them. So I'm going to put that through now. Trade in. This is on the simulated account, slightly different, so it's not like massive high risk, but it's always good to practice these things here. $120 to close. Total cost is $800 effectively. I'm giving up $600 worth of premium. I've already captured 2,970 less fees, or 2,770, which is pretty good to be out of the market. See if that goes through. Alright, ordered through. It might not get filled for the good price. I'll come back and I'll adjust that down. Probably got a little bit of leg room, but totally fine. Alright, my throwing arm is really sore. It was like the best game of softball and also the first game of softball I ever played. I'm going to go.